So if you're looking for a creative cake decorating technique that's so relaxing and soothing, this is one I can completely recommend. We can create with royal icing, we can create with buttercream. You may wish to experiment using other mediums, that's up to you. The main thing is the technique allows you to create beautiful results, as you can see. And once I've done the cake painting, we then layer royal icing, in this instance piping, on top to give embellishments, and then finally finishing off we may decide to put actual fondant flowers, sugar flowers on top of our design to give it that 3D effect, so it looks like the actual cake is growing. It's alive with creativity.